Hi neighbors, I've decided to put together a small video just to show you the features of these masks. This mask and all the masks that we are printing has been made from PLA, polylactic acid, which is a biodegradable plastic. In my hand right here is the white mask, which is actually the small masks. All the small masks will be printed in white. We're using other colors, and in this case black, for all our larger masks. The small mask is about 90% the size of the larger mask. When we give you the masks, they'll come in a little kit form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put these together yourselves. The reason for this, as you can imagine, it takes a long time, many hours to print and assemble these models, these masks, and we would like to get them out to you, I know, as soon as possible. Everyone is eager to get them, so if you would be so kind as to put these together yourselves, that would really save a lot of time and effort and allow us to help a lot more people.